Hi guys, so for today I will guide you through the simple steps on how to log in to your Mucho Taste account. Alright, so first to start with, you need to open your web browser and we need to go to admin.muchotaste.com. Alright, so let's type it here. Admin.muchotaste, oh sorry, muchotaste.com and hit enter. All right, and we just need to wait a little bit. We'll just need to load it. All right, so on this page, you need to enter your username or the email address that you have for this Muchita's account, and of course, also the password. And click login. But if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up here and you can make your account for Muchita's. All right, so for my case, I already have an account, so we'll just need to click this login button. All right, let's click that. All right, so congratulations, we've successfully logged into Mucho Taste. All right, so in this page, you can see the restaurant that we made. So we can manage it here. Just click manage, and I will show you the dashboard. So once you click manage, you can see the dashboard for Mucho Taste. You can see total sales, total orders, total tips, number of tips, also the payment methods, order types, order completion, and of course on the left side corner, you can see here the navigation menu. This menu provides a quick access to various sections and features of the Mucho Taste dashboard. So you can see here the home page, this one, the dashboard. You can see the order page there, and you can see the bookings, the customer's information here. It will show here, and of course, the menu where you can manage, you can edit everything about your menu. And on the next is the settings, and the last part is this view store where you can when you click that, it will lead you to the menu page of for the Mucho Taste. There you go. All right, so that's basically it on how to log into our Mucho Taste dashboard. All right, so thank you so much for watching.